DEMA Internship Program offers an opportunity to gain hands-on experience in emergency management during real-world activities. Students are mentored by members of the DEMA team and actually participate in their day-to-day operations. There are plenty of tours, field trips, and meetings to experience working with different partners statewide. Incident and event management, participating in exercises, training courses, and networking with emergency managers across the state are part of the agenda each semester.
This internship right here, the opportunity to work with this organization, meet the professionals that work here every day, whether they're here in office, they're deployed out to an emergency site potentially, or in the background conducting further planning and exercises for that next event, that next disaster may happen, has really been beneficial and opened my eyes and really kind of committed me to hopefully eventually transition into emergency management in my future.